Finally, I have discovered how to make money with 3,000 followers on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. At least, last, everybody must chop breakfast. But before I show you how to sign up on this platform, let me first of all show you how the platform looks like. So once you sign up and log into the platform, these are the things you will see on the platform. And all these things you see are video demands from different brands that are looking for someone who can create video content with their products, and the person will be paid for his or her services as long as you have from 3,000 followers on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So now let me show you how to sign up on this platform. So here on my TikTok account, tap on this link. Then you will be brought to my bio profile here. Then tap on this first link which says brand. Now on the next page, you will follow the steps on how to create an account with them. After creating your account, now you can log into their platform and start searching for video content from brands that you can create and make money with, okay? So good luck, guys.